Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this concealed heater, concealed electrical heater. It's open. It is not working. If we check its input resistance, it is in mega ohms. The thermostat switch turns on and off, but it don't have any resistance. Let's check it. Set multimeter to continuity. One lead to the one input terminal and connect to one side thermostat one end. It's working. The second test lead to the second input terminal and connect to the element. So one lead is reaching here, one wire is reaching here at this input terminal, and this wire must reach at thermostat one end. Now this thermostat will turn on, will make an electrical circuit from here to its closed contacts when the temperature is less than the body temperature. Then it will pass the electrical current to the heating element. Now we will check heating element and then we will verify the thermostat switch. Resistance, connect across this heating element terminals, so it's good. Okay, now if the thermostat is good, because one end is here, the second wire, it is reaching to the thermostat, and thermostat must pass electrical current to the heating element. Now we will check it here. It is not giving any resistance. The thermostat is working. If we check the contacts are moving. Wow, we can see here is sparking at this point. This wire is connected to the switch one end. The second wire must connect to the second end. So here we have disconnection at this point because here it is sparking. It has sparking. Let's check it. Set multimeter to continuity. Okay, it is not giving continuity. Again, so the problem in this thermostat switch. Now how to verify where is the problem? From this end to the thermostat one pole, switch one pole, it's giving continuity. From this side to this end, no continuity. So we have problem here due to sparking. Still we have disconnection. تفضل. أهلا وسهلا. still this separation is present between the two metallic plates due to sparking. It is not making a connection. So I will make a second solution. I will put steel wire around this thermostat one end and this plate. That will make a external connection, so it is good. And I will make a twist. Now I connected a reinforcement to the switch, and now it will work. Yes, it's now good. What I did, here was separation between this plate and this plate due to some looseness or like that. So I connected a steel wire here between these two plates and tied it. Now it made connection. Now if we check resistance, input resistance, yes, now it is showing 52 ohms. Check resistance between this point and this point, it's okay, 0 ohm. That the continuity is reaching from one point to second point. I heated this side, and with this one 52 ohms. From this point to this point 0 ohm, and through the heating element it's 52 ohms. Connect one lead to one input terminal, and with the heating element outer body it must be open. With this pin and heated body it must be open. It's a very simple design. It just only controls the current with this temperature in the body, and we can set the temperature from this thermostat. Let's power it on. Yes, it's powered on, and we will wait until it will heat up. Yes, it is heating up. Yes, it is heating up. When it will reach at some specific temperature, it must disconnect. Now it is heating up. You can see it is becoming red. when it will reach at specified temperature which we set from this thermostat switch, it must turn off. Still it is working. The best thing, we must verify the continuity with chassis. If there is a continuity with chassis, that means this concealed heating element is damaged. At that time it is very dangerous, so that the live voltage will appear here. Yes, it is now turned off. When the temperature will down, it will turn on again. So it is controlled temperature by means of the thermostat switch. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.